The top 3 longest living animals. The first one will shock you. Number 3, the Galapagos Giant Tortoise. These land turtles are known for their incredible lifespan. Some have been documented to live over 100 years, with some even reaching over 150 years. One of the most famous tortoises was Harriet, believed to have lived around 175 years. Number 2, the Greenland Shark. This shark boasts an astounding lifespan. Its slow metabolism and ability to withstand extreme cold play roles in its longevity. Research has shown that these sharks can live up to 400 years. Yes, 400. That's 5 times longer than the average human lifespan. Imagine everything a Greenland shark might experience throughout its life. Before revealing the number 1, remember to subscribe and like the video. Number 1, the jellyfish. The jellyfish takes the crown as the ultimate long liver. It comes close to immortality not only because it regenerates its cells, but it can also revert to a premature state, effectively rejuvenating itself. Think of all the adventures a jellyfish has had and the tales it could tell if it could speak. So would you want to live as long as these creatures? Would you want to be immortal? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.